So, okay, Kendall, look at my, look at the camera when I lean down and see what it looks like I'm looking at through the viewfinder.
That's better.
Well, no, I'm just saying where I look, is it like looking down at what I'm, like my hands right here? Is it down at my hands?
Now it is.
How about now?
I mean, they're like at the very bottom of the
Oh, no. Okay, how about now?
Put your hands up.
Like, can you see the boxes I'm working on? Well, like, can you see the boxes right there I'm working on?
Oh yeah, I can see to here.
Okay, cool.
Of your arm.
All right, so, all right, you ready for this? Okay, wait a minute, how am I gonna start this out? Okay, so what's up, YouTubers? This video is gonna be more of a gripe than a box opening, but I guess we're just gonna have a box opening, but I'm gonna gripe more than anything else. And so I kind of want to explain to you the reasons why FedEx sucks. No, you know what? I kind of overemphasize that. I want to give you all the reasons why FedEx sucks, because FedEx does suck. And these boxes I'm getting ready to open did not come by FedEx, okay? These came by UPS. They came on time, undamaged, no problems, right? So, anyway, so I ordered this lift kit. It's a lift kit, rims, tires, everything. I ordered the rims from Tire Rack, and Tire Rack sent them UPS and no problems. I ordered the lift kit and tires. Well, the lift kit came from Rough Country. Well, the lift kit hadn't came here yet, but I ordered it from Rough Country. And the tires, which are Nitto 37s, 37 by 12 and a half. So they're 37-inch tires, 12 and a half inch wide. Those came from Discount Tire. Well, they haven't come yet because, frankly, I don't know where they're at. All I know is that they are in this la-la land that we call FedEx. So, I was supposed to get, well, I was supposed to get the lift kit and the tires on the same day I got my rims, okay? These are the rims right here. That was supposed to be within 2 days of shipping. So I'm in North Carolina. The lift kit come from Tennessee. Y'all do the math. How long does it take to get from North Carolina to Tennessee on a truck? Not very long. So the tires come from Discount Tire, which they came from Ohio, I think. So, but anyway, according to the FedEx shipping information online, everything is supposedly at my local distribution center. There were I believe it was 7 separate packages in a multi-piece shipment for lift kit that should have been here last week. Okay, this is going on over a week now. Okay, so when you check the FedEx tracking information online, now it says that the shipment cannot be made because of a local restriction. Well, whatever the hell that means, I don't know. And then the other packages, okay, so basically every day they kept on extending the delivery date. Some of the packages say they're on the vehicle to be delivered. Some of them say they're at your local destinations, blah, 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 blah. Well, to make a long story short, FedEx is just dragging their feet. They keep on extending the dates. They keep on putting it in pending. I don't know when I'm gonna get the rest of my lift kit. So I've already called Rough Country, and they said they're aware of the problem. Okay, well then why do y'all keep using FedEx? Good question, right? Well, okay, let me give you a little background on where Rough Country's at. Rough Country is just north of Memphis, Tennessee, right? So, and what is Memphis, Tennessee? That is the home office for FedEx, okay? So naturally, Rough Country is going to use FedEx for all their shipments. So there's probably some kind of sweet deal they got going on. I don't know. But when you got a company telling you that they keep on sending replacement or more lift kits out to people who never received their lift kit and they don't get their lift kit back, don't you think these companies would figure it out? Don't use FedEx. Okay? I am thoroughly disgusted with FedEx. You know what? I can't even open these boxes. I'm so fucked up. Excuse me. Messed up. Pissed off with FedEx. All right? That's just kind of where I'm at right now. I've never had any problems getting Amazon package through the Postal Service or through UPS. FedEx has screwed this one up. And I'm pissed off. So, my lift kit is out in FedEx La La Land. My tires, which are 37-inch tires, are out in La La Land. And I bet you if I do get them, I don't even know if I'm going to get them now, but if I do get them, I bet the boxes will be torn up. I bet I'll be missing half the parts. And I wouldn't be a bit surprised if the tires are all cut up and messed up at this point. FedEx, what is wrong with you? Okay, I'm off my rant now, so I guess I'll just open these rims. All right, so the whole other side of this fiasco, I was getting this stuff for my son, and unfortunately he's in the hospital. And so I told him, I said, well, you know what? I hope by the time you get out, we're gonna have everything in and we can put a lift kit on, right? Well, apparently not, because FedEx has screwed it up for everybody, literally. I don't even know when I'm gonna get my stuff. I don't know. I have no clue. It really pisses me off that FedEx has screwed this up so bad. So my son was diagnosed with Crohn's disease about 3 weeks ago, and they put him on steroids, right? Well, the oral steroids didn't work. He was on 40 milligrams a day. They didn't work. We took him to the emergency room last week, and he had to be admitted to the hospital. The kid is 17 years old, and he was weighing 112 pounds, right? So, you know, obviously he couldn't eat. His stomach was killing him. He was hurting. So he got admitted to the hospital, got a feeding tube. Yeah, feeding tube. So they fed him through the tube, gave him IV steroids, and he's getting a little better. But nonetheless, when he gets home, he's not gonna have a lift kit because FedEx has screwed this shit up so bad. You know, screw COVID, screw whatever. I'm over COVID. You know, if they want to use that as an excuse, that's fine and dandy. You know, it's not like I want to be in the hospital with my son. You know, who wants to go to the hospital? Sometimes you have no choice, right? Well, it is what it is. So, but anyway, I don't even know what I'm saying no more. So I got these Fuel rims. They're 20 by 9s. They're the Cleaver. Let me turn this on. Cleaver. So this box should have, I should have the TPMS sensors, a TPMS trigger tool, lug nuts, all kinds of good stuff. So let's see what's in here. Oh wow, I don't see no, well maybe there's some parts in there. There's a rim. Wow, cool. Let's see if there's something else in here. Put that away. Cool. We got valve stems, TPMS trigger, thin wall socket, all kinds of cool stuff. Let's see what we got here. Cool. Let me go over here on the table or something. Boat, something, anything. Let's see what this is. Yeah, I'll open the thing. I don't want to tear it all to pieces. There we go. Oh, okay. That is the... Oh, great. Got to put a battery in that. Nice. All right, so that's the TPMS trigger thingamajiggy. Directions, no battery. Well, I got a battery I can put in it. Big deal. Okay, can I get this out? What is this? Directions. Okay, cool. Nothing else is in there. Let's see here. This must be lug nuts. Let's see how many lug nuts we got. I don't know. Are these lug nuts? I don't know what these are. Let's see what these are. They feel like lug nuts. Are they lug nuts? Let's see. Yeah, they are lug nuts. Interesting. Go have. They seem awfully small for my truck. Let's see. I don't know. I have no idea what these are. I don't think they're going to be big enough, but we'll see. There's no way. Those lug nuts are way too small.
Like, I can't even pick this up.
It's nice. It's one piece rim. All right, so here's all the lug nuts. 8 each, which is good. I have 8 lugs on our truck. And I'm not sure what this is. I'm supposed to get the TPMS things, but I'm not sure what this is right here. I want to see what this is. This is probably going to be valve stems and TPMS sensors, but we'll see. I'm not sure. We shall see. You're never so close. Ooh, oh no, this is a tool. This is a freaking tool. Dude. I don't know. Oh, that's a wrench or something. That ain't no daggone TPMS sensors. I should get TPMS sensors. And valve stems. I don't see none yet though. I don't know why I need this. I got plenty of wrenches. I guess it's just what you have to have. Alright, so that's a wrench. Nice. Gorilla Automotive Products. Okay, cool. Oh, it extends no more. Okay, cool. Alright. Let's see what else we got. There's supposed to be TPMS sensors, and I don't see any unless they're over here. Nope, nothing. Great. Now where are the TPMS sensors and where are the great valve stems? Oh, God, that thing's heavy. Wow. Nice. Ooh, let's see. Yeah, boy. Yeah, them jokers are heavy, ain't they? Man, look at that. Nice. Wow. Kendall, here. Let's see you grab this box and I'll pick this rim up. All right, go ahead. Woo, baby, look at that. That's sweet. Nice. Yeah, but I don't see no valve stems or nothing. Maybe they're in the other boxes. I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. They put them in. Oh. Oh, they're in there. Oh, cool. The TPMS sensor's in there. Check it out. Nice. That is awesome. I thought I had to put those on. That is the best. Sweet. I hope they work. Cool, cool. That is nice. Wow, look at that. Kevin's gonna be so excited. And them suckers have a lip on them too. I didn't realize they had much lip. They got a little bit of lip. I didn't want a crazy negative offset or nothing. That's sweet. Sweet! Man, I just wish I had the rest of the kit. FedEx failed me. Getting them dirty just by touching them. Gosh. Dude, let me turn it up on that side. I want to see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Come here, hold this, Kendall, so don't. Just, no, back here, back here, back here. Yeah. Dude. You know, I gotta go take them up and set them up beside the truck.
They look amazing.
I know, they are so cool. Wow. Fuel. Man, I wanna go set them beside the truck. I'm not gonna do it right now, though. That is sweet. Sweet! Nice. That's gonna look so good. Damn, bro, is that a 20-inch? Is that a 20-inch wheel? I guess it is. It don't look 20. What does the box say? Let's see. Yeah, 20 by 9. Offset +1. Bro, they got those on 129 2020. They had them in stock, 8 by 180. Do they have the multiple? Let's see if they got the multiple holes for the here, let me put this back on the outside so it don't scratch them. Let's see what kind of holes they have on them. Yeah, it's oh cool. So it's not like it's got spots for your spacers right here if you want to put spacers to put them out further, but it doesn't have the multiple holes for different trucks. This is for heavy duty, so it's on like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lug. Sweet. That is so freaking awesome. And they're made in China. Go figure. Of course, I knew that before I bought them, but it's all good. They're designed in USA and made in China. Everything's made in China. It is what it is. 2,500 pounds for 5 to 6 lug. This is 8 lug day. 3,500 for 8 lug. That's nice. Cool. Beautimus. Beautimus. Wow. That's gonna look so good. Cool.